Hey everybody, welcome to day number 12 of the Newton Mudroom project. Yesterday we had compressor issues, so that cut short, and today it was all about playing catch up, and we got the shingles up and blended into the existing house. And so in order to do that, we did kind of an offset pattern here, pulling back the shingles so that we didn't have that straight line where the door used to be. And then when the weather gets a little bit warmer, we're going to stain these to match. I'll show you a couple pictures behind the shingles. We put some number 15 felt paper up. We are underneath an overhang here, and so that's not going to see direct weather, but that felt paper, when it's stapled in, is going to make sure that it's good vapor barrier, and it's going to cut down on any type of breezes we might have. So we didn't get the whole thing done today. We did get the corner over here all buttoned up and blended into the existing shingles, and then this kind of rounds the corner and goes on the side of the house. And then we're just going to do above here, which is the shed door, and then down the middle. We got the molding on the main entrance door here, and the whole thought behind this is we're going to do a natural, no molding on here. It's just going to be shingles to the frame, and then we did a molding here around the main entrance door, and that's just so we can really truly distinguish between which door you're going to go in and which one's just a shed door. We don't want anybody getting confused. So we're still playing catch up, which means we're going to be working on Saturday. That happens sometimes. We had some weather. We had the compressor go down. Right now I'm borrowing my father-in-law's, but it's a little Finnish nailer compressor, and I'm still looking for suggestions. So far DeWalt is leading the charge. They said, hey, your last one lasted over 10 years, so why not get another one? If anybody has any great suggestions for that, please leave a comment, because I'm still looking. I didn't want to get rushed into it because that's where you lose money. So right now we're using the porta cable, and that's great for the small staplers, but not necessarily so great for the nailer. It'll definitely power through it, but it's only a 2-gallon tank, and it just keeps running and running and running. So thanks for checking in. We're going to be here tomorrow, so check back for day number 13 as we're playing catch up and rushing into the week when the electricians come in.